What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today we are going to talk about the updates with what's going on with the Avalanche. As you guys know, I did a trailer break episode and it did not turn out as great as we thought it would. Let's get into the topic. Why is this a little bit tilted? We'll fix that right there and hopefully that's better. So guys, let me give you the quick update. So I ended up checking the power going to the wire to the controller, and I get 12 volts. I don't get any power to the controller itself, which is why I feel like the controller is bad. I feel like it's defective. I've tried so many things. I've pressed the brake pedals. I did this. The only thing I have not tried was actually hooking up a trailer to see if maybe that's what activates it, but I don't think so. I've watched a few videos on YouTube and not one of them had shown it being hooked up to a trailer. It's supposed to instantly light up and then you're supposed to adjust it, hook up to a trailer, and then fine tune the product. So I don't know if it's just really a bad item that I bought. What I think I'm going to do is buy a new one, but buy a better up-to-date one, a digital one, where I can see everything digitally. I don't even know why I purchased that one. It's manually. I don't like it. So I'm definitely gonna see if I can get a digital one on Amazon, try that one out and see if it works. I definitely know that I hooked everything up correctly, even the wires, even though they're color coordinated. Sometimes that's not even the case depending on your make and model. Whatever the wire harness is, you have to read that paper, and then you have to read the paper of the adapter that you bought for it. So it actually tells you that red is power, black is ground, green is this, blue is this. It tells you all that. Maybe red and black might be power. It could be anything. So read your paper. I did mine, read them carefully, and put it all together. Everything works. Like I said, I do get power up to the controller. Just the controller's not receiving it, and I don't know why. So I'm going to purchase a new one and see where that takes me. If you guys have any recommendations on what I should get, please leave it in the comment section below. I would definitely look into it. And if you guys have any other ideas of what this may be, definitely leave it in the comment section below for me. I would really appreciate it. A lot of you guys have jumped in and tried to help me. A lot of ideas are great ideas. We can definitely try to do this together and figure it out. So guys, I would really appreciate it if you can try to help me the best you can. Like I said, everything is a learning experience and not everything is always going to go as smooth as I make it look on camera. I decided to show you guys an actual real life failure, and like I always say, failure means first attempt in learning. That's what it always stands for, and I love failing because it does help you learn something in the future. So this is I think that was a great episode showing you guys that not everything goes as smooth as it looks on camera with me. So anyway, thank you all for the help. I just wanted to make this quick update for you guys. Also, please leave it in the comment section below if you recommend a brake controller. I would really appreciate it. I would like to take a look at them. And also make sure to like this video, boost it up to the YouTube algorithm, guys. And also, if you can subscribe, if you're not already a subscriber, that would be awesome as well. So I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.